businesses are having a tough time in the current market, blank. Option is A. Scene, B. Scenario, C. Scenario, D. Scenery. Answer is option C. Scenario.
Synonym of before is, option is A. Ago, B. Glad, C. Finish, D. Extra. Answer is option A. Ago.
U. Blank French. Option is A. Do not know, B. Does not know, C. Doesn't, D. Does know. Answer is option A. Do not know.
Plural form of hand, option is A. Hands, B. Handays, C. Hand, D. All. Answer is option A. Hands.
Where do buses run? Option is A. In the road, B. Outside the road, C. Inside the road, D. On the road. Answer is option A. In the road.
I need to go to blank market. Option is A. B. An, C. The, D. None. Answer is option C. The.
I am blank then you. Option is A. Smart, B. Smartest, C. Smarter, D. None. Answer is option C. Smarter. Did you know there are more than 200 breeds of sheep known in this world?
Kelly enjoys hip-hop music in the sentence which is the verb? Option is A. Kelly, B. Hip-hop, C. Music, D. Enjoys. Answer is option D. Enjoys.
I must be at work at 9 o'clock every day, so I blank wake up at 7 o'clock. Option is A. Have to, B. Have, C. Might, D. Might be. Answer is option A. Have to.
This hot and humid weather is exhausting in the sentence which is the adjective? Option is A. Hot, B. Humid, C. Hot and humid, D. Exhausting. Answer is option C. Hot and humid.
What is the synonym of generous? Option is A. Disobey, B. Kind, C. Few, D. Much. Answer is option B. Kind. Which animal is coming?
It's a tiger.
Yes, you are right. Did you know a punch from a tiger may kill you?
The monkey sat by the door in the sentence which is the verb? Option is A. Monkey, B. By, C. Door, D. Sat. Sorry, we don't know the answer. If you know the answer, then like the video.
What is in your bag? In the sentence bag is a. Option is A. Person, B. Place, C. Animal, D. Thing. Answer is option D. thing.
Synonym of cap is, option is A. Rug, B. Mat, C. Hat, D. Center. Answer is option C. Hat.
Perhaps Jerry, blank, pass the exam tomorrow. Option is A. May, B. Can, C. Maybe, D. Can be. Answer is option A. May.